This episode is brought to you by Audiopipe, high-performance car audio products. Elite Auto Works. Contact Jason Pederi at Elite Auto Works for all your car audio aftermarket modifications and upgrades. Elite Auto Works is a proud authorized dealer of Audiopipe and Audiopipe accessories. Bassaholic Productions. Get your custom enclosure designed by Drew Jones. You will receive enclosure specifications, a full cut sheet along with 3D renderings. Bassaholic Productions, a name known for creating the loudest and best sounding enclosures available.
What's going on, guys? Basscop here. What do we got on the bench today? Well, let's see here. We got one of Audiopipe's most popular amplifier in the APMI line, the APMI-2000. Now, you guys have seen this amp. A lot of you guys run this amp. Let's just admit it. This amp is badass. I mean, this little thing is badass. The APMI-2000 monoblock amplifier. A lot of you guys have seen the dynos on this. If you haven't, go to Ryan Blankenship's page on YouTube and look up the dyno video on this thing. It did stupid good. It did overrated in every category, certified, uncertified, and dynamically. 4 ohm, 2 ohm, and 1 ohm loads. This amp is a beast. And let's do a review on it today. So we got it on Basscop's bench. Let's get some measurements for you guys. Alright, this is a small footprint of an amplifier. Well, I guess it wouldn't say small, but it's a little large for a mini. We're roughly 18 inches from mounting feet to mounting feet in length. Roughly 7 inches wide and about 2.5 tall. So let's do a little more breakdown here. Let's check out some of its features, and then what everybody's waiting for. I believe this will be the first video on YouTube. This will be a gut shot video of the Audiopipe APMI-2000. Alright guys, let's start with the input side first. Of course, here you got your power and your protect lights. You got your remote input for your bass boost. Now this is the plug style. This is the 2.5 millimeter plug. Alright. Input and bridge outputs. This is a strappable amp. This does not have the Tiffany style RCAs like some of the other lines, APCL line, and then when you move on up to some of the better lines of Audiopipe, the APNK line, APBZ line, AQX line, those do have the Tiffany style RCAs, but this one does not. Of course, you got your gain, your low pass filter, which is adjustable to from 40 to 180 hertz. Subsonic 0 to 50 hertz, bass boost frequency 30 to 80 hertz, and bass boost 0 to 12 dB. As you know, bass boost is a no-no. We don't mess with that. No bass boost. Alright, let's move on to the power side. Alright, moving on to the power side. Pretty simple, guys. Power, ground, remote, speaker output. Plain and simple. That's all it is here, and it takes up basically the whole end of this, as you can see. This is 0 gauge inputs, which is awesome. This is a true 0 gauge. As you can see, true 0 gauge. 4 gauge speaker outputs. It is a true 4 gauge. It has no problem taking those. Actually, on the 4 gauge side, it may be just a little bigger. So that is your power and ground and speaker side here of this amplifier. So let's move on to the good stuff, what everybody wants to see. Everybody knows it. Gut shot time's coming. All right, we're about ready to flip this bad boy over. So let's see what makes this thing tick at 700 rated 770 watts at 4 ohms, 1300 watts at 2 ohms, and 1944 watts at 4 ohms. So let's go on and see what makes this bad boy tick, guys. Ready? Ready? Sure. Woo! Look at the size of those toroids and a little amplifier like that. Let's get in closer. Look at that. Would you look at that? All right. That board is super clean. Size of those rail caps, MOSFETs, APMI 2000, guys. That is the gut shot of it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's get in real close here for you guys. Yeah, like I said, this is one of the most popular, if not the most popular, amplifier in the APMI line. A huge upsurge in it since Ryan Blankenship did his video on it. Like I said earlier in the video, if you guys have not watched his dyno runs on this, you have got to go watch his dyno runs. Ryan Blankenship on YouTube. I will put a link, or try to put a link to his video in the description. I mean, this thing's just stupid. Just like about every other Audipipe amp doing rated and above. But, you know, everybody hates on that. Everybody hates on Audiopipe. Don't know why. Alright, so to close this out, to give you guys an idea, the size of this thing, I'm going to compare this to an APNK 4000. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about it lately. A lot of people are now interested in the APNK line. And I don't think some of you guys realize the sheer size of those amplifiers or the power that they put out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little size comparison here and show you guys what they look like together here. Alright. I got the APNK 4000 on the bench now. So let's give you guys a little idea of the footprint, of the small footprint, but big power. Say it again, small footprint and big power out of the APMI 2000. I'm going to set this here on the 4K to give you guys an idea of just how big that amplifier is. You guys see that? The APMI is tiny footprint compared to the 4K. That's what we got here. And get close here. Here's what I was saying about regular RCAs and then the Tiffany style RCAs on some of the higher end lines of amplifiers here. So that's my review today on the APMI 2000. I've been wanting to put this out for a while, but you guys know how it is with life and everything else. And now that I'm trying to run a business or help run a business, tend to be pretty busy. So I've kind of been behind on making some videos for you guys. So there it is. I got more amplifier reviews coming up. I got another subwoofer review coming up. And so stick around, watch some more of those coming up. As always, follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, or not Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. My links are in the description. Also want to let you guys know I'm now a dealer for Audiopipe. If you guys are looking to score some Audiopipe, I could give you the best deals possible as a dealer, the lowest pricing that I can give as a dealer. You can hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for any quotes and orders. Payments are accepted by PayPal. And it is under goods and services, so if there is a problem, we can do refunds and whatnot, guys. So, there's the APMI 2000. Stick around for more videos. It's Basscop, and I'm out.